everyone, and welcome to day 193 of the Feathered Quest. Today's bird of the day is the Blue Grosbeak. Blue Grosbeak couples start the season acting like they need a whole estate, 2 to 20 acres of it. But once the babies arrive, they downsize their territory fast, allowing them to stay closer to home. Let's go find that daily feather. Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?